Good morning. Today I want to talk about your math third grade, and right now you are on mid-chapter checkpoint, and I want to talk about a couple of them. The first one being the vocabulary. It says a blank is a number that names part of a whole or part of a group. That, of course, would be fraction. And the second one says the blank tells how many equal parts are in the whole or in the group. And that means how many did you divide the whole into? And that is always the bottom number. The other number is the numerator, and that is how many pieces of the whole that you're talking about. For instance, if you had a pie and you cut it into 5 pieces, you would have cut it into fifths, which would be the denominator or the bottom part. If you ate 2 pieces of that pie, you would have eaten 2/5. 2 is the numerator or the top part of that. Now, on 3 through 5, it says what number of equal parts. Then write the name for the parts. Now, it's easy to count them and write the number of equal parts, but on that bottom line, they want you to write the word that represents that. For example, when you count the equal parts on number 5, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So you're going to write the word fourths in letters there. Now, the next one says write the number of equal parts in the whole, then write the fraction in numbers that names the shaded part. So for instance, equal parts, 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. How many are shaded? You'll write the fraction 1/3. This one says write the fraction that names the point. Okay, so you'll do point A, point B, and point C. So obviously it's going to be in sixths, and you're going to have to count. For instance, A is going to be 1/6 because it's right past the 0, 1/6. Then, on the back, there are some word problems for you. I will scan and email the key to this tomorrow. I want to talk for a minute about our grammar this week. Our grammar is about adverbs that compare. Remember, an adverb talks about a verb in the sentence. It's a describing word. Let's see what it says. It says you can use adverbs to compare actions. The ER form of an adverb compares 2 actions. The ES form of the verb compares 3 or more. And then it gives you an example. Jeremy works hard. Hard is the adverb. It describes how he works. It describes the action word. Jeremy works harder than Tom does. Harder is a describing word as well. Jeremy works hardest of all the students. Hardest is also an adverb. Now, it says most adverbs that end in ly use more and most to make comparisons. The truck moved slowly. The truck moved more slowly. The truck moved most slowly of all. Now, remember what I said about these. If you get stuck, come back up here. This is where the answers are. Next, I want to talk about our spelling this week. Our spelling this week is about the sound in the word ball, like aw. The vowel sound in ball can be spelled 3 different ways. The first way is AUGH, as in caught. The next way is OUGH, as in thought. And the next way is AL, as in walk. So, they also have OUGH, as in cough. Today is just your sort, and you'll sort into how they're spelled A-U-G-H, A-L, O-U-G-H, and just O-U. Thank you.